Babes.
On go.
Here we go.
It has come to our attention that false information has been shared regarding our investigation into Nemesis. We assure you that our extensive and ongoing tests prove that she poses no danger to the public. And as a gesture of our unshakable confidence, we invite you to view our latest discovery and to learn more about how we are creating a secure future for generations to come at the newly recommissioned Phalanx Research Facility.
For your own safety, please obey all instructions.
Oh, I can't see it from around the corner.
For your own safety, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives. Everything is under control. For your own safety, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives. Everything is under control. For your own safety, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx.
We apologise for that brief interruption. I can assure you that everything is as it should be and is completely under control. And without further ado, it gives me great pride to announce the Phalanx Research Facility open. Please continue and enter as usual. And I repeat once again, everything is completely under control. Thank you.
Guy, what did you think of the ride?
That was phenomenal. It was amazing. What they have done in such a short amount of time is, yeah, it's a good thumbs up from me. How I remember it, that's definitely a different experience. There's a lot more jump scares in there. Obviously, I think the 1.4 height restriction is there. It's probably, I would say, probably 12 plus as an attraction, just because of the jump scares. Very good for ride accessibility as well. Thumbs up to Alton Towers for listening. Very easy with procedures. Obviously the Phalanx operatives were very helpful in loading and unloading.
I just want to say at that point, thank you ever so much for helping me there.
Yeah, thank you.
You helped both myself and Lee, obviously myself being in a wheelchair, and I purposely went into that. I had to switch from a mobility scooter to a wheelchair. They wouldn't let mobility scooters go into the line.
I think it was a little tight. It was a little tight in some of the sections, especially. I'm not going to do it for viewers, but obviously as I was coming out the exit, there's a bit of a turn, a bit of a tight turn. But having the manual wheelchair is justifiable. yeah, it's nice that they've made some little changes as well, especially lighting. Lighting seems a little bit better. I remember it was dark and sinister. It's now got a more modern feel. Like I say, there is a few new things in there that obviously weren't there before, as in the before it closed in 2015. But yeah, it's nice to have it back in operation. I mean, obviously, hands down to Bianca, obviously for the divisional director. She's doing some very positive things. Met her on the way out just to say thank you. And yeah, I look forward to the future developments of the site.
Yeah. I just want to mention, obviously, with Lee being blind as well, you actually helped us with that as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Lee's blind, obviously, in one eye, and also he's got tunnel vision. How did you actually feel going through there with that?
It was okay. It was all right. There was a few dark spots in there but on the whole, it was pretty good.
I mean, it did help with the visuals on the floor as well, because obviously as going into the pre-show it is a bit dark in there, but there are black spots where you stand, and sort of from a visual impairment that's quite helpful, because obviously you stood on a spot rather than stood on a piece of concrete with no markings.
Yes.
But again, there was markings everywhere, even in the second and third section of the ride. It's all marked out. As I say,
really well marked
accessibility
out,
has been thought in mind, in my opinion, definitely.
And that's the
It's nice
main
to see
thing.
those little touches as well. But yeah, well done to Alton and the team. It's certainly a very good grand opening.
Absolutely.
Something I'll never forget.
And the ride itself, the drop, we knew the drop was coming,
Yes.
and we didn't know how much of the drop it was going to be, and it was like,
It was good.
Wow.
It was literally caught you off guard, you were down. Obviously there's a little bit of happening down, and obviously with the pit.
water as well.
Yeah, water effects, we've got effects in there that might be scary for some, but yeah, it's just absolutely little details that have been added, and sort of,
Sounds awesome.
Yeah, it's something obviously with the Nemesis next year, it's something we can sort of go back on again and again until Nemesis is reopened.
Yeah.
A lot of I will sort of say, the storyline has slightly changed, because it now influxes what to do with the phalanx and what we've been doing over with Nemesis.
Yes.
They've even sort of integrated the new colour scheme as well. So red and black seems to be the new format of phalanx. But yeah, it's a very good ride. It's definitely worth the visit. I mean, looking at these people that are queuing at the minute, probably looking at about an hour to 90 minutes. Which isn't bad for an experience like this.
But like I said, once again, we want to thank you on behalf of New Era Tourism
You're
Events.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you, finally. Yes.
Thank you.
Just before you go, out of 10, what would you give the ride then?
Oh, it's a definite 10.
10?
I'd give it a 10 actually.
10 out of 10.
I mean, when it first opened in 2012, I probably would have given it a 2.
Yeah.
Obviously the version 2, probably about a 6, a 7.
Yeah.
Now it's up there in the highs. You can tell that some thought's gone into it. Especially obviously what we've had this year with door rides. Obviously we've had Curse of the Manor, we've had obviously Nemesis Sub-Terra today.
Yeah.
Also had obviously the Ghost Train at Thorpe Park. A lot of the reviews are sort of going again the same. So the quality's there. It's starting to sort of listen to the guests, and sort of, I think feedback's very important, especially at theme parks like this, because without that feedback, there wouldn't be these experiences.
Yeah. Right, let's wrap up this video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right.
Right.
So yeah, here's the actual shop.
I think I'm a smaller. Yeah.
Trying to have a look around. Got different pin badges.
10.40 for those two, please. There we are.
And then here's the actual tops.
Lovely. Thank you.
Looking really nice.
Large for me, small for him.
Looking really nice.
I'll have one of the phalanx.
There's the actual signs.
Was it a small?
Right.
Yes, please.
Looking lovely. Great.
Thank you.
And then got what's names as well.